Greetings, Camtasiacs. Sometimes you've made a bunch of adjustments, you've added some animations, you've applied effects, and then your old boss, the dreaded boss, am I right, comes by and says, you know what? I've got an updated piece of footage I want you to use instead. And you're like, oh, I've got to redo all that work. Not so fast. You can replace media. And in this case, we're going to learn how to replace a video and retain all of the effects and animations that are on it. So here I am on the timeline. You can see I've got a very simple setup right here. I've got corner rounding applied to this thing. I've got an intro animation. I've got an outro animation. Now my boss comes in and says, hey, you know what? This piece of footage right here, that's the one we want to use. All right. So let's make our boss happy, right? So we're going to go ahead and grab that guy and drag down. And we're going to bring it down and hover over the top and wait until those green lights around the edge of that piece of media light up. You'll see the plus sign there, and you're going to release. And then what you're going to get are some options. Most of the times what you want is just to ripple replace. Sometimes you're going to want to start from the beginning if the clip is a different length, it's longer or shorter, then replace from start or replace from end, or sometimes what you want to do. Or, again, if it's a different length than your original piece of media and you need to match that duration, you can replace with clip speed. That's what we'll do this time. We'll go ahead and replace with clip speed. That'll make it the exact same duration. You can see here, here's my new piece of footage. There's the animations. There's the effects on the rounded corners applied. Everything's intact. All right, that's pretty awesome. Bosses are happy. Let's get a raise. I hope you enjoyed these tips. I'll see you next time.